How to unarchive a story on Instagram. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can unarchive a story. For that, launch open the Instagram app on your device and head over to your profile. Then you want to tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Here, under how you use Instagram, you will find the archive option. Go ahead and select that. Now tap on the drop down and then make sure to select Stories Archive. Now all the stories will be shown over here. If you want to share or unarchive a story, you simply want to open whichever story you want, then tap on these three dots. Now find the option of Share. Now you can edit this however you want. After that, simply tap on the Your Story option. In this way, you can easily share or unarchive your story on Instagram. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.